Yes, Mr. Malui.
Baba Zungu, subsequent to the making of your statement on the 17th of November 2019, Constable Zungu has testified about an incident that occurred on the 18th of November 2019 in Tembisa.
Manje ke emveni kokuthi ke ubhalise istatement uMnumzane Zungu mhla ka-17 kuNovember kunyaka ka-2019 uConstable Zungu ke ufike wanikezela ngobufakazi ukuthi kukhona isehlakalo esiye senzeka ke mhla ka-18 kuNovember ku-2019.
And this we have already referred to the record. It's the 7th of September 2023, page 48 to 49. He testified that he was on his way from the shops in Tembisa on the 18th of November 2019, and an attempt on his life was made by one Nkazimulo Ntuli.
Attempt
on his life. Yes.
Uthi ke wayebuya ke emashop ke noma ke eyitolo eThembisa mhla ka-18 November 2019 lapha endaweni ke yaseThembisa. Uthi ke umuntu wacishe wathatha ke impilo yakhe uNkazimulo Ntuli. Ubufakazi baka Constable Zungu lo ukuthi ke mhla ka-18 kuNovember kunyaka ka-2019 wayebuya ke eyitolo lapha endaweni yaseThembisa lapho kwaba khona ke umuntu wayefuna ke ukumbulala okuyigama lakhe kuNkazimulo Ntuli.
Do you have any comment?
Ukhona ngathanda ukuphawula kulokho.
Abana Nkazimulo kamazi.
Because I have no comment because I do not even know this Nkazimulo person.
And Constable Zungu further testified that Nkazimulo Ntuli is related to accused 1 and accused 5.
Uthe ke uConstable Zungu ke uNkazimulo Ntuli le uyahlobana nommangalelo wokuqala nommangalelo wesihlanu. I'm so confused by this Nkazimulo name. I do not know him.
Right. Constable Zungu further testified that there was a call between him and accused number 1 on the 19th of September 2019 discussing this incident, and accused number 1 then undertook to admonish Nkazimulo.
Uthe ke na uye waba nengxoxo Constable Zungu naye ke ummangalelo wokuqala lapho yenzeke mhla ka-19 kuNovember ku-2019 wabakhulumisana naye ummangalelo wokuqala. Umangalelo wokuqala wathembisa ke ukuthi ke uzokhuluma naye noma ke uzomkhuza. I know nothing of that.
Thank you.
I do not have a clear recollection of whether I was told about that or not.
Thank you. Baba Zungu, yesterday we referred you to your evidence wherein you testify that accused number 1 and Constable Zungu are of the same age.
That was not the evidence of this frequency. That's a wrong proposition.
Yes. Well, we refer to your evidence.
Abangani.
Yes, we'll refer to the evidence.
That's the evidence.
Your counsel, in testimony by your counsel, you said, my son grew up in Nkandla. He would just visit, but has never visited since becoming a policeman. He never grew up in Nongoma. He is the same age as Sibia. He grew up at his mother's home. That was your evidence.
Kube ubufakazi bakho ke wena lapho uye walandisa khona ke ukuthi ke indodana yami lena ke ikhulela endaweni yase Nkandla kanti ke ayizange ke ize ke noma ke ayizange ke ize kimi ngisoloku yaqala ke ukuba iphoyisa uyasho ke wena ukuthi ukhulela lapho ke koma wakhe washo ukuthi ke ngekomnyaka ke uyalingana ke nabo noSibiya angalingana ke naye uSibiya.
You remember that evidence, Mr. Ramsipi? You remember that evidence? Hello?
Yesterday, you were talking about.
No, I'm just asking if you remember the record. If you don't remember, no problem. No problem.
Yes.
Accused number 1 is trying to get the attention of Mr. Mnisi.
Yes?
Mr. Mnisi.
Apparently, Mr. Swear wants to.
Yes, yes. Yeah.
Is it to the court, my lord? Mr. Sibiya says he heard the court saying that
How's that?
Abangani. So he says he's not a friend to
They are fine.
to
No
Mr.
problem.
Zungu. He said he is saying apparently the court is confusing the word ontanga, peers, with friendship.
Fine.
Yes. Thank you, ma'am.
So it says, yeah, equal age.
Yes, there is a proposition that
Okay, fine.
that they are of the same,
Same age.
not that they are friends.
Fine, yeah.
Yes, yeah. So we didn't get your answer.
Asizange siyithole ke impendulo malana naloku ke umshushisi bekakushilo ukuthi wena indodana yakho yayihlala ke eNkandla ngoma wabo kanti ke futhi ke akazange afike lapha kwaNongoma ngalesikhathi lesi ayesiqala noma ke qalile ukuba yiphoyisa wase uthi ke ulingana ke naye ke uSibiya noma ke bangontanga.
Ngoshela lokho
Yes, I said
ukulinganisa.
that I was just making an estimation.
Yes.
Ngoba ngikhona nje nami ulinganise ngomuntu omunye umlinganise nami.
And if-
Ulinganisa lokho. Bengasho ukuthi konye kukanjani.
I was not saying it in any other way, in the same way that you can also estimate or make an estimation of another person with regards to my age and so forth.
Yes.
Bese kuba ipoint lela lasenkandla ukuthi iphoyisa. Uma umuntu enze into ethile ekhaya, wenza into ethile ekhaya. Bonje mawukade uhlelo ungasebenzi. Buse uthola nomsebenzi. Kuba khona okuthile okwenzayo ukuthiwe uvakashe ekhaya kwenziwa lokhu nalokhu uvakashile.
If you have been home and been unemployed and then you get employment and then you come home and come and visit and then there are certain things that are being done.
Yeah,
Kodwa
sorry, Baba Zungu, it was just about the age. We just wanted you to confirm your evidence that you said accused number 1 and Constable Zungu are of the same group,
Besifuna nje
the
ukuthi
same age.
besifuna ukucacisa le ndaba ukuthi ke uConstable Zungu naye ke umangolelo wokuqala ke bangontanga.
khona
Hey.
We were just quoting your evidence in light of the objection
bengifuna
that was
ukuchaza
raised.
lapha ke
I wanted to explain here.
Yes.
mawuthi
We'll give you the
enkandla enkandla lokho ongibuza khona.
I wanted
Uthi
to
lapho uthi
explain.
wena lokho akhulele enkandla ngithi
I wanted to explain.
akazange eze ekhaya.
I was referring to the fact that you say you made mention of Nkandla and you said that it never came home. So I wanted to
Yes.
clarify that.
Yeah, bengifuna lokho nokuthi cha umuntu uma kuthiwa uzile wathola nomsebenzi uzile ekhaya. Safike senze usiko oluthile. Kukodwa lokho ufika nje ufika manje usikwama uhamba nomuntu uthi ngiyahamba kusasa uthi uyahamba.
It is correct that if a person comes home and then we perform certain traditions and then they go and they get employment, unlike a person coming home with other people and just taking their bags and leaving.
Yes. The ages of accused number 1 and Constable Zungu are on record. The age of accused number 1 appears in the bank statements that have been presented before this court, and his age is given as 31 January 1986.
Manje ke iminyaka yabo bobabili uConstable Zungu naye ke umangalelo lokuqala ke iyavela lapha ngokwenkundla ngoba ke iyingxenye ubufakazi obulapha ngokwenkundla. Iminyaka yakhe ke umangalelo lokuqala siyithola lapha ya statement sakhe sasebhangi ebonisa ukuthi ke usuku lakhe lokuzalwa umhla ka-31 uJanuwari ngonyaka ka-1986.
And
Constable Zungu.
Is that Constable Zungu?
no, there's accused
Is that
number 1,
Sibiya?
Sibiya, yes.
Yebo umangalelo lokuqala lo. Usbi.
And the affidavit of Constable Zungu is also before this court. It shows that he was born on 8 May 1986.
uConstable Zungu yena ke wazalwa ngomhla ka-8 kuMeyi ku-1986 ngonyaka ka-1986.
So there's a 4 months difference between them. They were all born in the same year.
Kushiyana nje izinyanga ezine nje kuphela phakathi kwabo. Yes, they are same age group.
Yes, so that confirms what you said, that they are of the same age group, of the same age.
Lokho kuqinisekisa noma kuvumelana nalokho kushoyo wena ukuthi ke labantu ke bayalingana noma ke wontanga. Yes.
Yes. And just a few remaining aspects. Baba Zungu, in Exhibit U, the statement that you now deny, reference is made to Mr. Ntanzi, as we have put it to you, and it says that Mr. Mafika Ntanzi is employed at the mines in Rustenburg.
Manje ke lesi statement ke esesakubonisa sona owasiphikayo wena ke ukuthi wasenza ivela ke igama la kaNtanzi ukuthi ke uMafika Ntanzi usebenza emayinini zaseRustenburg.
This we see on paragraph 3. It says Moses Sibiya is currently somewhere in Kwanongoma, and Mafika Ntanzi is currently working at a certain mine in Rustenburg.
Lapha kulesa statement sakho uthi wena ke uMoses Sibiya ulapha ke khona lapha endaweni yakwaNongoma, kanti ke uMafika Ntanzi yena usezimayinini noma emayinini yaseRustenburg.
So this, what is stated here, accords with the evidence that has been given that accused number 2, Mr. Ntanzi, is employed at Carltonville at Sibanye Stillwater.
Manje ke lokho okushoyo lapha ke ku statement sakho ku paragraph number 3 uhambelana ngqamashi nalokho ke okubhaliwe noma ke ubufakazi okuthulwe lapha nglonkundla ukuthi nangempela umangalelo wesibili usebenza khona lapha ya ezimayini zase Carltonville Sibanye Stillwaters.
No.
You can continue.
Yes. Now, at the time when this statement was made on the 17th of November 2019, Mr. Ntanzi was not yet arrested. He was only arrested on the 16th of June 2020.
Makwe kubhaliswa ke lesi statement sakho noma kuthathwa lesi statement sakho mhla ka-17 kuNovember kunyaka ka-2019 wayengakaboshwa ke umangalelwa wesibili waboshwa mhla ka-16 kuJune kunyaka ka-2020.
So the point that we are putting across to you, Baba Zungu, is that this information could have only been furnished by someone who knows accused number 2, Mr. Ntanzi.
Manje ke iphuzu lami ke mnumzane Zungu ukuthi ke umuntu ongani ke ongabe enikezele ngale mniningwane yokuthi umangalelwa wesibili usebenza lapha eManini usho ukuthi ke umuntu omaziyo noma umuntu owazana naye.
Angifuni nje ube ngiqhubeka ngokuningi
I do not want to continue with furthermore
ngoba ukuchaza kwami ngibazi le ekhaya
because I've explained that I know them from the homeless.
ngabe thatha ikhwama behamba bofuna umsebenzi angazi lutho ngisuke ngekho futhi kubo.
If they take their bag up and leave to go and seek employment, I then know nothing about that.
nalabo Rustenburg nje bashiwo la akaze ngifike nakufika angazi lutho.
Even with this regards to this Rustenburg that has been mentioned here, I've never even been there.
Yes. And just maybe last point on this statement, Exhibit Triple U. Do you remember what time the interview with Brigadier Gininda was?
Uyakhumbula ukuthi ke lesi statement ke ekuthiwa wasenza sathathwa sikhathi sini?
ngoba ngisho nje ngazi statement ngazi nje ngekho lapho.
I've said that I know nothing about the
Ngangutshele
statement.
nje.
I know nothing about that. I'm not even there, and I won't tell you anything.
But was it in the afternoon,
Kwakusemini mhlawumbe
during the day, midday? Or?
ntambama.
angazi kwazi bona abangithatha
I
angazi.
don't know. They're the ones that took me.
Okay. Do you know the father of accused number 1?
Ubaba ka-accused kamangalelwa wokuqala uyamazi?
kade ngisho ngayingane kungibuza ngayingane ngiyabazi ke la.
You were asking me about these kids. I know them. I know them.
Yes. Do you know what his father's name is?
Igama la baba kamangalelwa wokuqala uyalazi igama lakhe?
Angijalo ukwazi abasengikhona ngaze ngijala igama lomsizwa thina sibizana ngeinsizwa bebengisho izolo nje ngithi kuthiwa ngoJomo ngoba.
I do not know his name, but as I've indicated yesterday that we use these namesakes as I've made an
Ngiyamazi
example
leli
yesterday.
ngiyalazi leli
Jomo and them.
sibizana akubizwana nga.
I know these namesakes that we used to call each other with.
Does the name Ubaba normally, Sibia, normally ring a bell? Normally.
Ile ngilazi
Normally.
No money. Uyalazi leli gama?
lomsizwa bakhe.
That's his namesakes, a young man's namesakes.
Yes, but we asked you about the name Ubaba normally. Do you know that name?
Igama leli lithi ubaba uNomani uyalazi lona?
Angilazi ethi baba nomali ngazi ukuthi unomali.
I just know that it can never be Baba Nomani. It's
Yes.
just Nomani.
Yes. And do you know Gwabeni?
Ukwabeni yena uyamazi?
Ngiyamazi.
I know him.
Yes. How do you know him?
Umazi kanjani ukwabeni?
Ongakhona emndenini kwaZungu.
He is also from the Zungu family.
Uzalwa umuntu othi kimi baba.
The person who gave birth to him would refer to me as a father.
Ukwabeni uthi mkhulu kuye.
And then I would be then Kwabeni's grandfather. He calls me or refers to me as Mkulu or grandpa.
Do you know how he is related to accused number 1?
Uyazi-ke ukuthi bahlobana kanjani noma ngalelo kuqala?
Ngiyazi kakhulu.
Yes, I know very well.
Yes.
Yeah.
Can you explain?
Ngachaza.
Bazalwe sibonge nesisodwa kwaNtuli.
They are born from the same Ntuli family.
Noma
Same
ngehluka.
name?
Oh, yeah. Noma ngehlukana imizi lo omunye ubelapha. Kodwa bayinto eyodwa.
Regardless of the effect, maybe that this other house is there and this other one is that side, but they are from the same family.
Yes. Is that correct that their mothers are sisters?
Kuyiqiniso ukuthi ke bazalwa umuntu nodadewabo, kusho ukuthi abomama babo umuntu nodadewabo bayazalana.
Wangichaza kusemndenini mangithi kwaZungu la. Kodwa sakhe lapha sinto eyodwa. Obaba konye bayilamana kunjalo. Angilwazi ke kodwa ukuthi ngakhuluma ngabo ukuthi ngazi. engazi nje lokho nanabanye obaba babo uyabazi
As I've already indicated that we can all be from the same Zungu family with different houses, and we can also be different, we can be born of siblings, from same siblings, but in this regard, I do not know as to whether they are sisters or
bakhe ndawonye futhi endaweni nje isondelene.
they built or they have houses in the very same area nearby each other.
Now, finally, Baba Zungu, we're going to ask you if you know the names of certain areas. We'll explain to you later. Those areas are the following. You've already mentioned Nongoma. Do you know an area called Kwamateni?
Usushilo ke ukuthi uyakwazi ke kwaNongoma, kwaMateni uyakwazi khona?
Angazi.
No, I don't know
Angazi.
that place.
Do you know an area called Vimbi Sikale?
Indawo ebizwa ke Vimbi Sikali, you know yes?
Angiyazi.
No, I don't know it.
Do you know an area called Enyokeni?
Enyogeni uyakwazi?
Yebo ngiyazi.
Yes, I know that place.
Esigodlweni sesilo.
It's under the chief's sittings.
Does it fall under Nongoma?
Iwela ngaphansi kwaNongoma.
Inyokeni wela phansi kwanongo.
Yes, it falls under kwaNongoma.
Do you know an area called Nenge?
Indawo ke kubizwa ukuthi iseNenge, uyayazi wena?
Senenge. Yes.
No, I don't know this Nenge place.
Do you know an area called Kwateza?
Kwaceza, you know, uyayazi?
Ngiyazi kwache.
Yes, I know.
Iyona inkantolo esiphethe.
No, it's the magisterial sitting. Yes, I know it.
Does it also fall under Kwanongoma?
Nayo ke
Mahlabathi.
wela ngaphansi kwaNongoma.
Phansi kwamahlabathi.
It falls under eMahlabathini.
Yes, under the greater Nongoma area.
Ngaphansi ke kwayo yona le ndawo iNongoma. No.
Do you know an area called Itsodlo? It's Itshodo, Itsodlo.
Ithotlo, indawo le ebizwa ukuthi ithotlo wena, uyayazi? No.
And do you know an area called Kwaduma?
Indawo kuthiwa kuKwaduma yona uyayazi? No, I don't.
Angazi.
Now, will it be correct to say that these areas that you said you know, Enyokeni, Nongoma, Kwateza, and also Emahlabatini, obviously this where you stay, is that correct? Mahlabatini.
Indawo ethe wena uyazazi ke kulapha eNyokeni, kwaCeza, kanti nesemahlabathini ngoba vese uphuma khona.
Is it correct that these areas fall under the greater Nongoma area?
Manje ke uvumelana nami noma kuyiqiniso yini ukuthi zonke lezi indawo sesengizibalile ziwela ngaphansi kwaleli dolobha eNongoma, kwaNongoma.
Enyokeni.
Enyokeni only,
Phela.
only eNyokeni.
Yes, and the other areas?
Lezi ezinye ke zona ziwela ngaphansi
Iwele emahlabathini.
They fall under Mahlabathini.
Yes, but people from these areas that we've just mentioned, do they regard each other as homeboys?
Abantu ke abaphuma kulezi
The people
indawo.
coming from more or less the same area.
Manje masikulezi indawo ke sisibizile abantu mabavela lapho noma njengokuhlukahlukana kwazo. Bona babizana njengokuthi ke bona babuya insizwe ezibuya ndawonye.
Ngokuthi indawo ezinye masikhuluma ngoNongoma sikhuluma ngedolobha.
Because at times when you mention Kwanongoma, you would be referring to a town, to the town.
Uma sikhuluma ngenyokeni, sikhuluma ngomuzi. Ngiyaxolisa ukuthi ngingafuni ukungangena ezinkingeni.
I just
Ngoba
want to
lokho
know.
kuzongifaka ezinkingeni.
I don't want to get myself into trouble. Please
Anginazi.
forgive me. And when you refer to a Nyokeni, you are referring to a residential area.
Ngizocela abahlobo siliyeke igama lasenyokeni.
And I would like us to stop mentioning this Nyokeni.
Sengiyaxolisa impela basengize kodwa bengithatha kuwe namnyothi ngangithatha kuwe balande wena.
I'm requesting that we do not mention this name because I would also tell them that no, you brought it up to me, I did not. So I would tell them to come for you.
Ngokuthi kusasa ngabona sekufika amadoda sefika amaphoyisa sethiwa uyafuneka enyokeni.
And then tomorrow it might happen that now I see police approaching me, telling me that they want me
Awusithatha-
Nyokeni.
Wawusithathaphi umthetho ukuthi okhuluma ngomzi wenkonyama.
They would tell me now, where did I get now permission to talk about the chief place of residence or area?
Mase bengifuna inkomo ke lapho sebengidla ukuthi ngihambe ngakhuluma ngomzi wenkonyama ngizokwenza njani. So ngiyithatha
I would then have to pay damages in a form of cows. Where will I get them?
angicacise nje ngomzi wenkonyama balo. Uma kuthiwa enyokeni noma ungachaza kodwa usekuyazi ukuthi hayi usho kuleyo ndawo. Kodwa enyokeni umuzi wesilo.
Let me just put it this way, that one can refer to these places in area. However, when one starts mentioning the Enyogeni part, everyone would know that this is the chief's area.
Yes.
Yebo.
Thank you. Now, these areas that you just quoted to you are reflected in the cell phone records of accused 1, 2, and 3. It shows that they, at some point in December 2019, they found themselves in those areas.
Manje ke imbiko yomakhalekhukhwini bakhe umangalelo wokuqala, umangalelo wesibili nomangalelo wesithathu.
Let me just qualify that accused 1 and 2 for 2019 and accused number 3 in 2014.
Manje ke umbiko lana wakamangalelo wokuqala noma ke umbiko womakhalekhukhwini wakamangalelo wokuqala nomangalelo wesibili uyaveza noma ke uyakhombisa ukuthi ke mhla ka 2019 baye babakhona kuzo lezi indawo esengikhulume ngazo. Kanti ke bese umangalelo wesithathu yena wake wabakhona kulezo indawo lezo ngonyaka ka 2014.
As it is the court, my lord. This supposition is very vague and embarrassing because cell phone records would indicate who is calling and from what place. Cell phone records would indicate who is receiving the call from the one that is calling from a particular place and where the recipient is. Just to say that 2019 and the period that is stated by the state would indicate that 1 and 2, they were in these areas which were mentioned here. It's very unfair because the state needs to be very specific. The court deals with specifics here, not general issues. State has got to say that on this day, there's a call that was made by accused number 1. He was at this place, and it was received by this person. He was at this place. Not just to say, no, the calls indicated that they were at this particular place.
Yes.
My lord, that evidence has already been traversed. For our purpose, we just wanted to find out from the witness if he knows those names, my lord. That's
When was it traversed?
well, Ms. Pinky
Pinky.
Filigem referred to the cell phone records of the accused, and they've also been handed up, my lord. There's no point in taking this witness through those calls, as he will not be in the position to proffer any comment, my lord.
Now, my lord, the challenge is, if there is no point in taking this witness through those calls, why then put it to the witness that evidence shows that at a particular time, accused 1 and 2, they were at those areas where this witness says he knows them. And the state says, no, the purpose of this exercise of asking this witness as to whether or not he knows these areas was simply to ask him if he knows these areas. Not any other thing to show that accused number 1 and number 2 at a particular point they've been at that particular area. This is, it's so, I'm short of weight, my lord, to explain what this actually is. But very
Mr.
unfair.
Baloyi, sorry, if I understand Mr. Baloyi, he says when Pinky Tellingham was testifying, he specifically also testified about the cell phone records of accused number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yes,
And then that's where that evidence was traversed.
yes. And if Advocate Mnisi wants to distill any further details from the witness, he's by all means at liberty to do so, but he cannot prescribe how and what information we need to put on record. We've indicated that for our purpose, my lord, we just wanted to put those tower names on record. That's all that we want to take up with this witness.
The state says this indicates that at a particular timing point or at a particular period, accused number 1 and 2, they were at a particular place, they were at these places that the state is mentioning. The state does not say that, no, Mr. Zungu, actually we just wanted to show that at a particular point there was testimony from Mrs. Vittilingam that that the names of these places that you mentioned, that you say you know them, at some stage they were also mentioned as the recipient of cell phones of particular individuals in this court. Specific that accused number 1 and 2, they were at that particular point. Now, my concern is cell phone records. They say at this point, accused number 1 is phoning. Where is he? It is indicated. At this point, accused number 2 is phoning. He is at this point. Does that information say that at a particular point when he was calling, he was at Matabatini, Wapeza, or at the monarch's place? That's my concern. It's leading to this witness to say information shows that at that particular point they were at these areas where this witness is confirming to be knowing. And in any event, what does that have to do with this witness? Whether they were there or they were not there,
But
what does that have to do with this witness?
some of us didn't understand the evidence given by Pinky Tellingham.
Maybe.
Pinky Tellingham, when he was giving evidence, cell phone evidence,
Yes.
he used to mention that this number got in touch with this number at such and such an age, at such and such a time, and the poll which was registered is this and this poll. Is that not what was happening?
But what does that
No,
have
no,
to
just
do
wait.
with this witness?
No, no, I just want to.
No. What does that have to do with this witness?
You don't have to argue with me.
No, the court has allowed the state to
No,
get
no,
away
don't
with
argue
murder
with
on
me.
a number of
Don't
occasions.
argue with
I'm
me.
not arguing with
What
the
are you
court.
doing?
I'm not arguing
The
with
other
the
day you
court.
pointed
No,
me like this.
No, I am saying
The
that
other
on
day
a
you
number of
argued
occasions
with
this
me
court has
and
allowed
pointed
the
me
state
like this.
to get away with murder.
Mr. Baloyi, is that not how the evidence was adduced?
Well, indeed, my lord, and we're just merely explaining the relevance of.
Can I approach you as
Yeah, fine.
We're just merely explaining the basis of why we were asking this
Yeah,
witness about those names. As a quick-
Is that your last question, sir?
Well, second last question, my lord.
What Mr. Mnube is saying, Mr. Baloyi is wrong. When he says that in 2014, that is accused number 3. When you say that in 2014, his cell phone record shows that at some point in time he was at these areas that Mr. Zungu has been requested to confirm to the knowing.
No, my lord, here the cell phone records.
Yeah, you know what?
Anyone can have a look.
Yeah, just, no, let's do it for my purposes, not that I don't understand the evidence. Just take each and every number of every one of these accused persons, and then tell us what Tallingham said about the location, the towers, the recipients, the time, okay?
As a court, please, my lord.
Yeah.
Starting with accused number 3.
Right, it's on which page? Also tell the page so that people who are saying there's nothing
It's
like that
page
can
65.
Page 65, right?
Yes, of
Okay.
184.
Page 65,
Yes, of
And-
184.
line,
Line 7
okay,
shows the number 072 766
Right.
8169, which is on record as being used by accused number 3.
right,
On the 15th of December
yeah,
2014 at 10:19:54, it's received an incoming call, an MTC, from the number 072917627, and the tower is reflected as 2G Nongoma, KZN1.
right, 2G, Nongo,
Yes,
that's the tower. Right?
yes.
Fakazi ke obuvelayo la obaletha ke uye ke uPinki owaselethela ke imlando ye makhalekhukhwini yabamangalelwa uyasho ke ukuthi ku page number 65 ku line number 7 number 0727668169 ke ngomhla ka 15 ku December kunyaka ka 2014 ngo 10:19:54 uyathola ke ucingo oluvela kwi number 07291722297 ebonisa ke ukuthi iyakusendaweni ke yakwaNongoma.
Well, I'm just wondering if maybe we cannot, if there isn't a way just to truncate the evidence, just to make copies of
No.
this
Take it on
exhibit.
record.
As a
Because
copy,
people will
please.
think this judge is stupid. I'm not stupid. I listen to the evidence. And I understand evidence. Started dealing with cell phone evidence in the 1990s.
Then the
As it please the court, I'm going to request an adjournment so I attend to Mr. Mure because I can't be
No,
moving up and down.
no, you can see Mr. Mure, no problem. Hello? Are you suggesting something?
my colleague was. We'll just wait for.
Yeah,
Advocate
fine,
Mnisi.
yeah.
Thank you.
Yes, Mr.
My lord, we can show them there on the screen, starting with those of accused number 3. We just concerned, my lord, that we're left with just one question that we should maybe detail.
No, just recite those things, please.
Yes. they are displayed on the call log is displayed on the screen.
Whose numbers are those?
I choose number 3, my lord.
Right?
For the number 072-766-1869. The number 072-766-8169 on the 15th of December 2014 at 10:29:34 seconds received an incoming call, an MTC lasting 16 seconds from the number 072917627. The tower name is 2G Nongoma, KZN1.
Umbiko-ke noma-ke i-cellphone number yabammangalelwa wesithathu ulevezwa lapho kuthiwa mhla ka-15 Disemba unyaka ka-2014 isikhathi-ke u-10:19:54 wathola-ke ucingo oluvela ku-072-9176-297 endaweni yakwaNongoma e-KZN.
The number 072-766-8169 on the 15th of December 2014 at 10:30:16 seconds received an incoming call, an MTC lasting 35 seconds from the number 071-4472-056. The tower name is 2G Nongoma, KZN.
Kanti-ke yona le number ka-072-766-8169 yathola-ke ucingo oluvela ku-07144-72056 ngomhla ka-15 kuDisemba kunyaka 2014 ngo-10:30:16 iyabonisa-ke ukuthi-ke kwaluvela-ke kwaNongoma noma-ke endaweni yasekwaNongoma.
The number 072-766-1869 on the 15th of December 2014 at 10:31:55 seconds made an outgoing call, an MOC lasting 23 seconds to the number 071-44-72056. The tower is reflected as 2G Nongoma, KZN.
Kanti-ke inombolo lena ka-072-766-8169 iyafonela-ke ngomhla ka-15 kuDisemba kunyaka 2014 yafonela le number 071-44-72056 isikhathi sakhona kwaba u-23 second nayibonisa ukuthi kwenzakala-ke lapho kwaNongoma.
The number 072-766-8169 on the 15th of December 2014 at 10:35:07 seconds received a call, an MTC lasting 13 seconds from the number 072-9176-297, and the tower is reflected as 2G Nongoma Town, KZN.
Kanti-ke futhi ngawumhla ka-15 kuDisemba kunyaka ka-2014 ngaso-ke isikhathi saka-10:35 inombolo le ka-072-766-8169 yathola-ke ucingo oluvela kuye-ke ku-072-9176-297 nayibonisa-ke ukuthi lalenzeka-ke lolu cingo noma-ke lwasendaweni yasekwaNongoma.
The number 072-766-8169 on the 15th of December 2014 at 10:41:11 seconds made an outgoing call, an MOC lasting 30 seconds to the number 072-8840-563, and the tower name is 2G Nongoma Town, KZN3.
Yona le number ya 072-766-8169 yafonela-ke ucingo lolu laka-072-884-0563 ngesikhathi saka-10:41 yaveza-ke ukuthi nakhona yayibamba-ke ekalini lakwanongoma.
The number 0727668169 on the 15th of December 2014 at 10:42:13 seconds received an incoming call and MTC lasting 18 seconds from the number 0729176297. The tower name is 2G Nongoma Town, KZN.
Kanti-ke wathola futhi-ke ucingo ngazo zona-ke i-15 zaka-December kunyaka 2014 ngo-10:41 kuyo le number ka-07291762997 ubonisa nayo-ke ukuthi kwanongoma.
The number 0727668169 on the 15th of December 2014 at 10:45:21 received an incoming call and made an outgoing call and MOC lasting 11 seconds to the number 0729176297. The tower name is 2G Nongoma Town, KZN3.
Ngomhla ka-15 futhi-ke le number le yaka-072766868169 yafona-ke noma-ke yashayela ucingo yona le number le ka-0729176297 ngesikhathi saka-10:45 eyalasta-ke noma-ke yathatha isikhathi esingange-11 seconds bonisa-ke ukuthi edolobheni lakwanongoma.
The number 072-766-8169 on the 15th of December 2014 at 10:47:51 received an incoming call and MTC lasting 24 seconds from the number 084-694-0603. The tower name is 2G Nongoma Town, KZN1.
Manje-ke ngawo mhla ka-15 leyona le number 0727668169 yathola-ke ucingo oluvela-ke ku-084-694-0603 olathatha-ke isikhathi esingama-second awu-24 nayo iveza-ke indawo noma ukuthi yaxhuma-ke nepali lasenongoma edorobheni.
The number 072-766-8169 on the 15th of December 2014 at 11:04:42 received an SMS. The tower name is Nongoma Town, KZN.
Yona-ke le number yaka-0727668169 yathola-ke umlayezo.
Number 072-766-8169 on the 15th of December 2014, 11:05:23 received another SMS. The tower name is 2G Nongoma Town, KZN.
Kanti-ke futhi yathola omunye umlayezo ngalo lona lelo langa lelo ngomhla ka-15 kuDisemba kunyaka 2014 isikhathi ku-11:05:23 ibonisa ukuthi-ke kwanongoma.
Number 072-766-8169 on the 15th of December 2014, 11:05:49 received an incoming call and MOC, made an outgoing call and MOC lasting 58 seconds to the number 071-251-9202, tower name 2G Nongoma Town, KZN. The one of the 15th of December 2014 at 11:05:49 seconds.
11:05 11:05 23 seconds ke kuyavela ukuthi ke wathola ucingo oluvela kuyo ke i-070
It's 58 seconds.
8 seconds 071 2519 202.
The number 0727668 on the 15th of December 2014 at 11:09:32 made an outgoing call, an MOC, lasting 14 seconds to the number 071-251-9202. The tower name is 2G Nongoma Town, KZN3.
Manje ke ngawumhla ka 15 November ke yona leyo nombolo ka 0727668169 ithola ke noma ke yenza ucingo ishayela ke u-071-251-9202 ngesikhathi saka 11:09:32 yahlala ke noma ke yathatha isikhathi esingangoma second ayi-14 khona iveza ukuthi ke Nongoma KZN.
The number 0727668 on the 15th of December 2014, 11:09:59, received a call, an MTC. The time is 0 seconds from the number 072-185-2049, tower name 2G Nongoma Town, KZN1.
Kanti ke futhi ke yathola ke ucingo yona le number ka 072766869169 khona lapho ke yalasta ke yathi 0 seconds kuyo yona ke number ka 0721852090.
The number 072-7668-169 on the 15th of December 2014 at 11:10:55 seconds received an incoming call, an MTC lasting 38 seconds from the number 076-741-8061, tower name 2G Nongoma KZN.
Yona futhi le number yaphinde yathola ke 0727668269 yathola ke ucingo oluvela ku 076-741-8061 eyathatha ke isikhathi yenzeka ngesikhathi saka 11:10:55 nayo iveza ukuthi ke kwaNongoma KZN.
The number 072-7668169 on the 15th of December 2014 at 11:18:01 made an outgoing call, an MOC, lasting 36 seconds to the number 072-185-2049, tower name 2G Nongoma Town, KZN.
Kanti ke futhi yona le nombolo ke ya 0727668169 yashaya kucingo ishayela u-072-185-2049 ke noma ke yathatha ke isikhathi esingama second awu-36 ngesikhathi saka 11:18:01.
The number 072-7668169, the 15th of December 2014 at 11:20:37 made an outgoing call lasting 23 seconds to the number 072-185-2049, tower name 2G Nongoma Town, KZ1.
Ngazo zona futhi lezo i-15 zaka December kunyaka 2014 inombolo 0727668169 yashayela ke ucingo ishayela ke yona i-072-185-2049 okwathatha ke isikhathi ucingo lakhona lithatha ke isikhathi esingangama second awu-23 ngesikhathi saka 11:20:27 ithi ke kwaNongoma KZN.
The number 072-7668169 on the 15th of December 2014, 11:21:48 recharged. And the tower name is 2G Nongoma Town KZN 3. The transaction name there is USSD.
Kanti-ke lona le 0727668169 ngomhla ka-15 kuDisemba kunyaka ka-2014 yathola-ke ucingo mhla ngesikhathi saka-11:21:48 nayo kisho ukuthi Nongoma-ke KZN 3.
No, recharged. Not
Uye wathenga-ke i-airtime.
The number 0727668169 on the 15th of December 2014 at 11:26:25 received an incoming call lasting 4 seconds from the number 0721852049, tower name 2G Nongoma Town KZN1.
Ngalo lona lelanga lamhla ka-15 kuDisemba nyaka 2014 yona-ke le nombolo 0727668169 yathola-ke ucingo olwahlala noma-ke kwathatha-ke amasekhenda awu-4 ngesikhathi saka-11:26:25 iyasho nayo ukuthi-ke Nongoma KZN.
The number 0727668169 on the 15th of December 2014 at 11:40:41 received an incoming call, an MTC lasting 32 seconds from the number 07957243445. Tower name is 2G Nongoma KZN2.
Waphinde-ke wathola-ke ucingo oluvela ku-07957724345 ibonisa ukuthi-ke i-KZN2 ethatha-ke isikhathi esingama-second awu-32 ngo-11:41.
The number 0727668169 on the 15th of December 2014 at 11:44:55 received an incoming call, an MTC lasting 16 seconds from the number 07957244345. The tower name is 2G Nongoma KZN2.
Kanti-ke wathola-ke ucingo futhi-ke oluvela kuyo le number yaka-0795244345 ngesikhathi saka-11:44:55 seconds eyalasta-ke amasekhenda awu-16 nayo iyasho ukuthi-ke KZN.
The number 0727668169, the 15th of December 2014 at 11:49:50 made an outgoing call lasting 55 seconds to the number 07218522049. And the tower name is 2G Nongoma Town KZN1.
Bese-ke yona le number ka-0772768169 ngonyaka ka-2014 ngawo-ke umhla ka-15 kuDisemba wamukela-ke noma-ke wafonela inamba le-07218422049 iveza-ke ukuthi KZN1 ngesikhathi saka-11:49:50 isathatha-ke amasekhenda awu-55.
The number 0727668169 on the 15th of December 2014 at 12:05:17 received an incoming call, an MTC lasting 45 seconds from the number 07838662727. The tower name is Vimbiskale KZN3.
Mhla ka-15-ke kuye kuDisemba unyaka ka-2014 lapho-ke ngo-12:05:17 wathola-ke ucingo oluvela noma-ke wenza ucingo oluvela ku-07838662727 ithawa yakhona ibonisa ukuthi-ke ivimbiskali KZN3.
The number 0727668169 on the 15th of December 2014. I'm sorry.
Are you saying the machine is stopped? Is what? It's recording now. Okay, fine.
The number 072-766-8169, the 15th of December 2014 at 12:11:04, received a call, an MTC lasting 30 seconds from the number 07291762797. The tower name is 2G Vimbiskale KZN3.
Kanti-ke futhi-ke uyawathola-ke ucingo u-072-766-8169, ethola-ke ucingo oluvela ku-072-9176-297-ke olwenzeke-ke ngesikhathi saka-12:11:04, elithathe-ke i-30 seconds, kodwa ithawa yakhona iveza ukuthi-ke yi-Vimbiskale KZN 3.
The number 072-766-8169, the 15th of December 2014 at 12:17:32, received an incoming call lasting 48 seconds from the number 076-741-8061. Tower name is 2G Isodlo, MTN KZN1.
Ithi-ke uye wathola-ke ucingo oluvela ku-076-741-8061. Ithi-ke ithawa yakhona iveza ukuthi-ke isondlo to MTN 1 mhla ka-15 kuDisemba ku-2014, isikhathi ku-12:17:32, eyathatha-ke isikhathi yama-second angaba u-48.
The number 072-766-8169 on the 15th of December 2014, 13:10:59, made an outgoing call, an MOC lasting 5 seconds to the number 072-185-2049. The tower name is 2G Itsodlo, MTN KZN2.
Yavela futhi ukuthi mhla ka-15 kaDisemba ku-2014 ngesikhathi saka-13:10:59 wathola-ke ucingo oluvela ku-072-185-2049, iveza-ke ithawa yakhona ukuthi-ke isondlo MTN 1.
The number 072-766-8169 on the 15th of December 2014 at 13:12:43 made an outgoing call lasting 28 seconds to the number 072-185-2049. Tower name is 2G Isodlo, MTN KZN3.
Uphinde wenza-ke uyafona ngesikhathi saka-13:12:43, yona-ke inamba leya ka-072-766-8169, ifonela-ke i-072-185-2049, ithawa yakhona-ke isondlo MTN 1.
The number 072-766-8169 on the 15th of December 2014 at 13:17:04 made an outgoing call, an MOC lasting 23 seconds to the number 072-185-2049, and the tower name is 2G Isodlo, MTN KZN3.
Iyavela futhi-ke le nombolo yaka-072-185-2049, ifonelwa-ke yiyo le inamba ka-072-766-8169 mhla ka-15 kuDisemba kunyaka 2014, isikhathi ku-13:17:04 seconds-ke iyathatha isikhathi esingange-23 seconds, iyaveza ukuthi-ke ithawa yakhona isondlo MTN 3.
The number 072-766-8169, the 15th of December 2014 at 13:44:35 seconds, made an outgoing call lasting 62 seconds to the number 071-4472-056. Tower name is 2G Isodlo, MTN KZN3.
Yona le namba ka-071-766-8169 iyafonela-ke le namba le e-071-4472-056 ngesikhathi saka-13:44:35, lasta-ke ama-second angaba u-62, isasho ukuthi-ke isondlo MTN Tower 3.
The number 072-766-8169 on the 15th of December 2014 at 13:46:09 made an outgoing call and MOC lasting 46 seconds to the number 071-3073-139. Tower name is 2G Isodlo MTN KZN3.
07130. The number
73
yes.
139.
Kanti ke futhi wona mhla ka-15 lo kaDisemba ke kunyaka 2014 ngesikhathi ke u-13:46:09 wafonela ke le number lelandelayo i-0713073139 yahlala ke noma ke yathatha isikhathi esingama-second ke awu-46.
The number 072-766-8169 on the 15th of December 2014 at 13:47:29 seconds made an outgoing call to the number 0822550728 and the tower name is 2G Isodlo MTN KZN.
Kanti ke futhi i-072-766-8169 yaphinde ke yafona ngesikhathi saka 13:47:29 seconds yafonela ke le number ke 0822550728 ithawa yakhona ke yisondlo Sodlo.
The number 072-766-8169 on the 15th of December 2014 at 14:20:18 seconds received an incoming call and MTC lasting 73 seconds from the number 072-9176-297. Tower name is 2G Isodlo MTN KZN2.
Iphinde futhi ke uthola ke ucingo 072-766-8169 uthola ke ucingo oluvela ku 072-9176-297 kuyicingo ke oluthathe ke ama seconds angaba 73 uthi isikhathi 14:20:18 nayo veza ukuthi ke ithawa yakhona isondlo MTN KZN.
Number 072-766-8169 on the 15th of December 2014 at 14:34:39 made an outgoing call lasting 100 seconds to the number 072-185-2049. Tower name is 2G Isodlo MTN KZN2.
Ngazo zona i-15 zaka December kunyaka 2014 ke ngesikhathi saka 14:34:39 wafona ama seconds angaba 100 efonela ke 072-185-2049 ivezana ukuthi ke isondlo MTN KZN.
The number 072-766-1869 on the 15th of December 2014 at 14:35:39 seconds received an SMS is MTSMS. Tower name 2G Isodlo MTN KZN2.
Wathola ke umlayezo ke yona le number le 072-766-8169 ngesikhathi saka 14:35:39 ithawa yakhona ke yona le isondlo MTN KZN.
The number 072-766-8169 on the 15th of December 2014 at 14:37:49 made an outgoing call lasting 25 seconds to the number 076-118-3326. Tower name is 2G Isodlo MTN KZN2.
Ngazo zona ke i-15 za December 2014 072-766-88169 yafonela ke yona inumber 076-118-3326 yalasta ke noma ikhula khona yathatha ke ama-second angaba u-35 ngesikhathi saka 14:37:39 nayo ke iveza ukuthi ithawa yakhona ke ile yasesodlo MTN KZN.
The number 072-766-8169 on the 15th of December 2014 at 15:51:07 received an incoming call and MTC lasting 31 seconds from the number 072917627. The tower name is 2G Enyokeni MTN KZN2.
wathola ke futhi ucingo u-07276681169 wathola ke ucingo oluvela kuyona ke inamba le 072917627 eyathatha ke ama-second awu-31 mhla isikhathi ngu-15:51:07 iveza ke ukuthi ke Enyokeni KZN.
The number 072-766-8169, the 15th of December 2014 at 16:09 and 37 seconds made an outgoing call lasting 58 seconds to the number 079-149-0821, and the tower name is 2G Enyokeni KZN2.
Kanti ke futhi ke u-072-766-8169 ngesikhathi saka 16:09:37 wafona ke wafonela ke i-079-149-0821 ithawa yakhona ke le ithi Enyokeni KZN eyathatha ke ama-second awu-58.
The number 072-766-8169 on the 15th of December 2014 at 16:23:45 received an incoming call, an MTC lasting 48 seconds from the number 0846-940603. The tower name is 2G Kwateza KZN2.
Wathola futhi ke ucingo u-072-766-8169 mhla ka-15 kuDisemba unyaka 2014 isikhathi u-16:23:45 seconds. Ucingo lwakhona lwathatha ke 48 seconds inamba ethi 0846940603 ithi ke yona ithawa yakhona iyayiveza ukuthi kwaceza KZN.
My Lord, this is 13:01. I'm going to take the long adjournment.
Yeah, it should look.